Hello everyone. Today, Hot Ton will introduce the dish, Panko-Fried Linh Fish with tartar sauce. A dish that combines the typical rustic flavor of Linh fish, popular in the West during the flood season, and Japanese-style deep frying technique, panko. Ingredients to prepare: 300 grams of fresh small Linh fish, 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 chicken eggs, 150 grams of Japanese-style panko breadcrumbs, cooking oil for frying, seasoning for fish, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Ingredients for tartar sauce: 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of chopped dill pickle, 1/2 teaspoon of chopped purple onion, 1/4 teaspoon of chopped fresh dill or parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, a small pinch of salt and pepper. How to make: wash the Linh fish with diluted salt water or a little vinegar to remove the fishy smell, then rinse with clean water and drain. Marinate the fish with salt and pepper for about 10 minutes to let the spices soak in. Making tartar sauce: in a small bowl, add mayonnaise, chopped pickled cucumber, chopped onion, dill, chopped parsley and lemon juice. Mix well, add a little salt and pepper to taste. Put the sauce in the refrigerator to cool while frying the fish. Prepare 3 plates. Plate 1 contains flour, plate 2 contains beaten eggs, plate 3 contains panko breadcrumbs. Take each Linh fish in turn, roll it through plate 1, plate 2, and plate 3. Heat the oil in a pan to about 170 degrees. Carefully drop the coated fish in to fry. Do not fry too many fish at once to avoid reducing the oil temperature. Fry the fish over medium heat until the batter turns golden brown and crispy for about 3 minutes. Remove the fish and place it on absorbent paper. Presentation and enjoyment: arrange the panko-fried Linh fish on a plate. Place a bowl of tartar sauce in the middle or on the side. You can garnish it with some green vegetables, fresh lemon slices and french fries. Crispy Linh fish with tartar sauce should be enjoyed while it is still hot to feel the crispiness of the panko crust and the soft sweetness of the fish combined with the unique sour and fatty taste of tartar sauce. Things to note: choose fresh Linh fish that are not crushed. Linh fish in the flood season often have fatter and sweeter meat. The fish must be completely dried before rolling in the batter. This helps the batter stick better and the fish will be crispy. The frying oil must be very hot so that the fish cooks quickly, does not absorb the oil and achieves the optimal crispiness of the panko batter. Avoid frying for too long as it will dry the fish. You should use Japanese panko breadcrumbs because this type of flour is larger in size, creating a fluffier and crispier texture than regular breadcrumbs. Tartar sauce: to make the tartar sauce more delicious, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance the sour taste. The sauce should be cooled before serving. Fried Linh fish with tartar sauce is a dish that combines the typical rustic flavor of Linh fish, popular in the West during the flood season, and Japanese-style frying technique, panko. After being coated with panko flour, Linh fish will have a golden, light, spongy outer layer, keeping the sweetness and softness of the fish meat inside. This dish becomes perfect when served with rich tartar sauce, fragrant with pickled cucumber and lemon, creating a wonderful balance between fatty, salty, sour, and sweet flavors. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this recipe is useful, and don't forget to click subscribe to watch the next delicious dishes. Bye and see you in the next video.